Okay, assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to measure the height of this wall, and you can see that if I try to measure it using the measuring tape we have, you can see that it's very difficult for me. Okay, you can see that I cannot measure it using this because it is very high. So how we can do that? Let's do this with the device we have right here. And we have created this device using a trigonometry, very basic concept of mathematics. This device so that we can find the angle of elevation from this wall. And if we use trigonometry and if we know what is the angle of elevation, so we have to just find out the length of this object from the distance, and we can find the height of it. So we will show you how you can use this device, and in the last of this video I will guide you how you can make your own device. To use this device, first we have to find the length of the pillar of the device. Right. You can take any distance you want because you will be using that figure in the formula. So I am taking it exactly to 10 feet so that we can use it and our calculation will be simpler. So we have placed our device on this line. We have marked at the vertex. Now we are making the angle of elevation using this arm, and for this we have a laser light here, and we will just press its button, and you can see that we have a spot on the wall, and you are just raising it up. Device, we have just placed a simple protector here, so you can see that the angle we have got is almost 45, and it is somewhere between 46 and 47, so this should be 46.5. okay, so now let's do a calculation. As we are finding the opposite of this right angle triangle, and we have the length of adjacent, so we need to use the function of tangent, so which is opposite over hypotenuse. So we know that we have measured the angle of elevation to 46.5, so we are taking tan 46.5. so you can see that this is 1.03 and something. Now we have to multiply this with the length we have measured, which was of 10 feet, so we are multiplying this with 10, so that means the height of this wall should be 10.537. Okay, fine. So you can see that easily we can, by using this device we have created, we can easily find the length or height of anything we want, or height of this pillar, so that we can cross check whether the answer we have found using the trigonometry is right or wrong. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, till here we have 5 feet. Okay, let me mark. Yeah. So we have 5 feet in here. The remaining okay, and you can see that the height of this wall is 5.5, and we have already measured the remaining 5 part of this pillar, which was 5 feet. So total it is 10.5, exactly the height we have measured using the mathematics. But you can see that it is very complicated to measuring the height of this pillar using this measuring tape, and we can easily do this using the device we have shown you. Not the speaking of this pillar, but we can even find the length of this high building. You can find the length of anything you want. To find the height of this building, you can see this, it is not possible to measure it using a measuring tape. So first, we have measured the distance, and we are taking this distance to 30 feet, though this is 10 feet because we have taken 3 times, so this is 30 feet. Again we have placed this device on this line of 30 feet, which is away from the building, and now again we are finding the angle of elevation, so you can use this laser light. Yes, you can see that we are making the angle of elevation, and 52.5 degrees. Okay, so now it's time to find do some calculation on a calculator. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so again we are using the tan function because we are supposed to find the opposite, and we know the adjacent. So the degree was 52.5, and it's equal 1.2 something, and then we are multiplying with the adjacent, which was 30. So that means the height of this building is 38.67 feet. Okay, so now you can use this device if you want. Now we'll discuss how you can make your own device and you can have fun finding the heights of the highest objects. You can make your own device. To making the device, you have to just take a protector and you will use normally it is known as beam, and for making an angle and an arm that you can use to point the height you are trying to measure. And you have to place any laser light or anything you can place right here so that you can spot the height and you can take the angle of elevation from the protector. If you look at this board, so you can see that this is our building, school building, and we want to find the height of this building. And we can easily measure the length of this building from the device where we have placed the device. For example, at this point, we have placed our device. Okay, so we know that the distance between the device and the wall is 30 feet. And if we know anyhow what is the angle of elevation, so we can easily find the height of this wall. And for this, we use this device. We simply place this right here, and we use this to find the height from this line, and we can easily see the angle from the protector. We know anyhow we could find the angle of elevation using our device as we did. So we can find the height of this building using the tan function that you know. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, right? And if you look at this rough diagram, so you can see that according to this angle, the height of the building that we are finding is our opposite. This will be opposite for us, and according to this angle, this will be the adjacent side, right? And we have already found out the angle of elevation between the building and the device was 52.2 degrees, right? So now out of these three things, we know 2, so we can easily find the third quantity. So let's first in the value in the equation. So we have tan theta, theta means 52.2. So let's put in the value of theta, which is 52.2, right? Now you need to take the value of opposite that you don't know and you're supposed to find it. So for this, you can take x as a variable because you don't know this. Then you are supposed to take the adjacent, the value of adjacent, and you can see that this is the value of adjacent, which was 30 feet. So let's putting in the value of adjacent right here. Now here you have a mathematical equation that you can solve for the value of unknown. Okay, what is if you want to find this value, we have to separate it out on one side of equation. So we have to move this 30 from this side to this side. And since the 30 is dividing the variable, so it will be multiply the tan 52 times 30 equals x. So if you solve this, this is a mathematical term and you can solve it using a calculator. So you can easily find the x, which is actually the opposite, and in real terms it is the height of this building that you are finding. Okay, so I hope you have understood this and you can easily make this device. You just need to take a protector and you need to take any arm, you can use any stick, any rod, anything you want, and then you have to place a laser light at the end of this rod so that you can measure the right angle of elevation by pointing the height of the object you are measuring. So I hope you will like this device and you will solve many problems in your life using trigonometry. Thank you so much.